After the Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade and the constitutional right to an abortion, here are just a few of the more than 50 protests and rallies held across the country. The reversal of Roe v. Wade will impact millions of American women. People on both sides of the abortion issue are sounding off, like in Austin, where groups crowded into Republic Square downtown. It was 9 years ago to the day that former state Senator Wendy Davis led a 13-hour-long filibuster to block a Texas Senate bill restricting abortion access. Now the reality of Roe v. Wade is no more, and soon abortion will be banned in Texas. Gerald Harris has more with Senator Davis, who describes the decision from the Supreme Court as unfathomable. Gerald?
Former state Senator Wendy Davis has been in the trenches fighting for abortion rights for the millions of women here in Texas. And she says in the face of this ruling, the work must not stop.
I think about our daughters and our granddaughters, the fact that they are going to grow up in a world with fewer rights than we had.
Wendy Davis, who delayed a 20-week abortion ban in 2013 with a 13-hour state Senate filibuster and shot to political stardom, is now reacting to a reality she says she knew was on the way for decades.
Republicans have for years and years voted with this issue in mind. They have worked very hard to put people in place in state legislatures who will pass draconian anti-abortion laws. They've worked very hard to elect presidents and senators who will put on the Supreme Court anti-abortion activists.
David says the ruling rolling back abortion rights will have a profound effect on women's health care and the economy.
I think it will be a public health crisis, and it's also going to be an economic one. So many women have relied on contraceptive care and the ability to access abortion care to be able to plan when and whether we have children. And what that has meant for us is that we are able to determine our own destinies.
She says for people upset with the ruling, there's something you can do.
And the only action that will really make a difference is to vote.
Davis says abortion isn't the only thing on the line. Contraception, IVF, gay marriage, and the criminalization of it all are on the line. Gerald Harris, KHOU 11 News.
Gerald, thank you. This story and its lasting impact is something we'll be staying on top of for quite some time. We have a full breakdown on KHOU.com, including how we got to this decision, the states that will likely ban abortion, and how each one of those 9 justices voted.